Hello everyone, my name is Samrat Tradingwali and I am from Kasur, Punjab, Pakistan. I am 19-year-old and today we will talk with Maya about a very important topic, how to manage time in daily life. Let's start and learn together how to use our time wisely.
You there? Did I lose you?
Hello Maya, I want to discuss the topic how to master time management in our daily life. Can you discuss with me?
Yeah, totally. I can vibe on that. Look, we all have that same frustration, right? Feeling like time slips through your fingers like water. Tell me what parts of your daily rhythm work for you versus the bits that make you want to hide under a rock.
Maya, firstly tell me what does time manage really means?
It's not about squeezing more into your days, actually. It's about making space for what matters. Like, what would actually piss you off to not do? Time management's more about priorities than efficiency. What does that bring up for you? You thinking about something specific? No judgment either way. Sometimes it's better to figure out what time management actually means to you first. Most people want more control over their day so they can get things done. But is that what you're after or is it something else?
Why do many people find it hard to manage their time every day?
Well, for starters, our brains haven't caught up to the pace of modern life, right? Like we're still running on caveman software trying to make sense of Instagram alerts and 5 p.m. meeting invites. Plus, people tend to underestimate how long everything takes. Your brain thinks 30 minutes to clean, but then you're 2 hours in and wonder where the time went. What part do you struggle with most? Like, is it starting things or like when you're already neck deep in something and everything else falls apart?
How can a student or working person make a simple daily plan?
Okay, here's the honest truth. Don't call it planning. It's about writing down what actually matters to you each day. What are three things that if you don't get done would make tomorrow feel worse? Not, I need to check emails, but I need to finish draft of presentation. What would those be for you today?
How can we stay regular and follow our daily routine?
Routines, right? They feel like iron bars sometimes. But honestly, what if you saw it less as rules and more like an agreement with yourself? Like, hey, I'm gonna hit my 9 a.m. walk whether I like it or not, because my brain's nicer that way. Not perfect, just reliable. What throws your routine off most? Is it the spontaneous stuff or getting distracted mid flow? Just curious, you feel like your routine's missing structure? Or maybe it's there, but you're not into the idea of sticking to it? Look, I've heard it both ways. Some people want 6 a.m. cold plunges, and some just want enough time to read before bed. What version would actually work for you?
Can you tell me some easy tools or apps to manage time better?
Apps are cool, but honestly, I've seen people turn into task manager junkies where the app becomes the whole point. But Google Calendar can actually save your ass block off focus time, even for stuff like think about budget or check in with myself or just good old pen and paper, no notification pings. People get way too hung up on tech. You doing okay over there? Hey,
How
something on
can
your
we
mind?
balance work or study with personal life?
That's the question everyone's wrestling with, isn't it? Look, work or studying, they can't be the whole story. When was the last time you actually recharged? Not watched TV, but really recharged. Because if you're running on empty, everything sucks. The job, the grades, everything. What would help you actually disconnect when you need to? Still thinking about it? I mean, for some, it's easy. They draw a hard line at 7 p.m., but yeah, that's not everyone's speed. What would work for you? No pressure for the right answer here.
What should we do when our plan fails or we cannot follow our schedule?
That's when you punch the plan in the face and try something else, literally. Kidding, kind of. But look, plans are for idiots who think life is predictable. The real win is deciding what absolutely has to happen today and letting everything else either shift or burn. We all bomb sometimes. It's about not letting one bad day become a spiral. That happened to you recently?
Finally, what's your one best tip to master time management in daily life?
Stop trying to master it, seriously. You can't force time to behave. The better move? Figure out your minimum tolerable standard. Like, if you get these three things done, you're allowed to be done for the day. Keep the bar high enough that you feel good about it, but low enough that you actually hit it. What three things would be your daily non negotiables?
Thank you so much, Maya. I really learned to a lot from this talk about how to manage my time better every day. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.